Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila ro ban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
This will implant that big
Ka ALS IAS, India's premium IAS coaching institute na Delhi. Kala play ba ya ka face-to-face IAS coaching classes. Haka siyan ka baningkong hanong ba Shillong. Haka Southrik unay lar araja apulay. Pala chispangut ki Samla, kiba kampro jabiyang nagni ka jala Meghalaya. Kiba angnut balong ki IAS officer, kilay shimanta haka jing jing hekay. Kapalalong Hamuryo Institute of Integrated Training, Brookdin dan Kiti. Yakni kejalang la pelong du director jongka ALS Ujuju Matthew, badu executive director jongka ALS Manish Gautam, kibaladon kejing Tibet, hakajing jing hikai la palat South Post nam kenti. Ka ALS kadi ka IAS Coaching Institute na Delhi, kabala pau khmat bah hakari, bad minta la arpu arts nam kenti, kala say hadu lai hajar South Pangut Samla, kibala Pynkhreh bahaya ladi, menyakunya ke Eksamin jongka UPSC. Bad nagini gidan pat sa Shispangut, nagijala jongka ni kathan chitay lamingi.
We were having presence in Shillong through our satellite program. The classes from Delhi we used to relay earlier. Now, from this year onwards, we are having face-to-face classes at Shillong, at this MIT center in Shillong. So the classes are taken by teachers coming from Delhi. Our esteemed faculties who are renowned for their excellent guidance program, they are coming to Shillong and they will be taking classes here. The entire requirement of civil service training will be taken care through this program. So we have a 1-year program, around 900 hours of classes on Monday to Friday basis. Every day we will be having classes here. So the benefit here is the students of Meghalaya, especially those who are settled in Shillong, they need not come to Delhi to attend the same classes. And these classes are not only useful for the Union Public Service Commission Civil Services exam, IAS IPS exam, it will also be extremely useful for the state PCS exams. So those who are preparing seriously for this exam, they can definitely not only get through in the civil service exam, if not they are able to get through, definitely they will be able to manage to write and get through other government service exam, especially the Meghalaya service exams. So this is a wonderful opportunity for all the students of Meghalaya. We are coming all the way from Delhi. Our best faculties will visit, they will take classes, and it will be a regular program of 1 year. 900 hours of classes will be conducted with full material, 25 booklets, everything will be provided. So it is a golden opportunity for all those who are seriously thinking about molding a good career in government services.
Dear friends, we are extremely happy to launch a new program here at MIIT, Moro Institute of Integral Training at Holy Cross Campus, Brookdin. For the last 7 years, we have been working very hard in order to bring about greater accessibility for the training program of UPSC here in Shillong through satellite communications. Today we are launching a new program, face-to-face classes. The eminent qualified professors from Delhi are flown in to Shillong, to our campus here at MIIT, to engage the students to work towards achieving their goal of UPSC exams. The new venture will bring about greater quality in their education. So UPSC is at your doorstep. Welcome to Holy Cross, welcome to MIIT in collaboration with ALS, Alternative Learning System. God bless.